Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I haven't been on here for a while. That's because I've been working for the past 2 years. I've been working on something in my personal life which I managed to achieve, and I'm very proud. And so now I have a little more time to spend on Mrs. Buitenbeentje. This is going to be an unedited version because child I'm trying to keep like this because the light is right there, the glare in my glasses is just too much. I have a lot of projects. I have to check and see what I still have in my video archive that I need to edit so I can put that online, as well as I am still a Seamwork ambassador, and so I did make a few projects while I was offline, and one of them is really awesome because I was honored to have a pattern named after me, which is Luxie. And so I have Luxie to introduce to you guys. I have Grace, Lisa, I have a blazer, but to be fair, that one is still 2D. And those are a few things that I have, but I am taking part of this Design Your Wardrobe of fall winter this year. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to put a link below in the description box so you can go there and check and see if you want to sign up, because it's really fun and it makes you think about your projects, how you want to plan them out, what your thinking is, and I will definitely shoot that, not in depth, because I do like the fact that you can really get just the knowledge, and so that is fun. So I'm definitely not going to do it in depth, but I will show you the end result, which is going to be my mood board, my fall winter mood board, which you guys are accustomed to because that I have been doing in the past. And I'm going to be working on a lot of my unfinished projects, which I have over there. But also, I posted in my community tab a sneak peek of my summer project of this year, of 2022, which is a Dolce & Gabbana inspired bluebell corset and skirt. I managed to get it from 2D to 3D. It's almost done. I have to finish it this week so I can do a photo shoot, well, what I call a photo shoot, and shoot a show and tell, so I can have it up for the of course next week, close to the end of the summer. And yeah, what I have been sewing a lot of lingerie, like DIY lingerie, and one of my favorite designers is Evelyn Love. She's also on here. I'll put her YouTube channel in the description box so you can go over there. But I have in front of me the Darcy, and this is style 2. I remember I cut this out like so long ago, but I was organizing my undie jar. And so what I noticed is I have a few undies that don't have bras, and I have a few bras that don't have undies. And so I know that I did do some prep work before, but I didn't have no time to finish it. So I have this one and micro mesh that I can use for a lining that I was planning to cut out today. And all of the pattern pieces, I have them in front of me right here, so it's serious business. I also have this bra right here, which is also a Darcy. This is style 3 of the Darcy, and this one is fully lined. This one doesn't have an underwear, so I wanted to make an underwear. I wanted to make a Stella underwear, but I have to alter the pattern a little bit. And that is all that I want to share right now. As always, well, I think I mentioned that it's going to be on unedited, but if you didn't know, now you know. It's going to be an unedited version, And I'll definitely come back with my show and tell, with my fashion mood boards, with the fabric hole, fabric holes, what else, but or shopping my stash, that is also a possibility, of course, with DIY lingerie, and my life not so live, which is kind of what I'm doing right now. Anyway, as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.